What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go down to a big meet down in it's past Seattle. It's called SpringFest. It happens, I think this is the second one. It used to be called Root Beer Meet, I think. I don't know for sure. So we're gonna head down there. Britt's here and we have to pick up Jasmine. So yeah, I'll update you as we drive. And I think we're meeting up with a bunch of people. I'm not sure if we're meeting them north of the border or not, but if anything, we'll just catch up to them in the States. So we're just gonna get going now. I brought my GoPro. I'm gonna try and stick it on the outside of the car, see if I can get some cool shots like that. We'll see. So yeah, we'll see in a few minutes with an update. Okay, so we are at the border now, and we have to wait for about 30 minutes, if not a bit longer. So we're just gonna keep on going. We're gonna probably be waiting here for a bit, and then we're meeting up with everybody on the other side of the border at Chevron because we need to get some gas. And this is a little awkward because I'm filming in front of people, but you know, I'm just doing my thing. And Jasmine's in the back laughing.
Hi.
Okay, so I will pick the camera back up once we get across the border. Okay, bye! So obviously we met up with everybody, if you couldn't tell by those last couple clips, and we are heading down to SpringFest. It's in Kent, Washington. We are basically in Ferndale, if you know this area at all. It's basically just over the border. We got my buddy Brandon in his S15. That's the one who's doing two-step. Sean and Steven are in the Civic. There's a couple other people from our side of the border. I don't really know who they are. I have an idea, but there's some nice cars we're cruising with, so I'll get some clips as we go along. But yeah, we'll see you at SpringFest. Okay, so we just pulled up to SpringFest now. It's very busy. It was a long drive. We're all good. So we're just gonna go park and then look around at some nice cars. There's a lot of nice cars already in this lineup, and we're really late. Like, we're 3 hours late, so at least we know it'll still be good because there's a bunch of people still coming in. So never mind, we're 45 minutes late. I thought it started at 11, but yeah, we're gonna get through this lineup hopefully pretty quick, park, and go look around some nice cars. We made it. Stop swearing in my freaking.
Oh, you have to bleep it out?
Yeah.
I don't care.
Ah, cars. This is not. Sylvia Coupe. Make you stuff. Is it? Yeah. Oh, why does it have a Sylvia on it?
Yo, I like all your trees back.
R32, but it's kind of a monster truck. The color? You're talking about this one, right? Like. Oh my god.
It's glowing.
Left or right? I like right. Where did you go?
Are you gonna record me the whole time?
Yep. I'm
Okay.
just gonna do your face the whole time. You can give honest car reviews.
Honest car reviews.
Yeah.
Well,
Tell us about this M3.
huh?
The M3 right there. The blue one.
That's an M3. Let's
Yep.
keep going.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Keep going. We're just gonna do honest car reviews with Brandon the whole time.
Honest car reviews. So I don't wanna be a dick.
Yeah, I know. Just one bucket seat in the back.
It's got the original bill of sale.
Really? It's got a battery kill switch and everything back here.
Just covers $6,000.
$6,000, brand new.
Brand new.
Hold on.
Dude, it isn't. Are we really over?
So we don't see this in Canada, but it's a Subaru with an RSX, like a Honda RSX bumper, and that's why there's a Honda badge on it. Oh my god. Yeah, they're push pins right here.
That's a sick plate.
I-8V8. Dope.
That's okay.
I like that. You don't like Infinities?
What?
He doesn't like Infinities.
I don't like trumpets, no. These are okay.
I think those will look good on your car.
I think it's just spoke.
Really?
Yeah.
See, I'm a fan of spokey wheels.
That's
So.
fair. I like the Luger.
Actual SS.
Look at
Wow.
This is scream safety.
Oh, is that a GT3 RS?
Dude, imagine trying to get across Vancouver.
Oh, good luck. Oh my god.
I applaud.
Yeah.
I applaud. That's bad.
Can you stop swearing? Oh, on your bags. A Mustang on bags?
Never seen that before.
Oh, no. Oh, red interior too. Yes, please. Oh.
That Audi said.
Yes? There's a turbo! Oh, it's NA too. It's NA as well. Oh no. Like, why? Why?
I have
Like
significantly
negative
too much
13?
camber.
What do you have for yours?
Aired out, negative 15, and then chain.
Holy
Air it up, negative
Sorry.
11.
Can you say-
Beep.
Can you send me a picture of your car so I can put it in the video? Since you didn't bring it here, like a dummy.
What can you do?
I don't know if I want my picture on YouTube.
This is my buddy Cam's car. It is a SR. Little bit of boosted stuffs, you know.
Holy curves the rim.
Those are very tilty.
Dude, those wheels are sick.
Oh yeah, you gotta love Meisters. Why do the States get so much better cars than us?
Huh?
Why do the States get such better cars than us?
Well, it's not they get better cars.
Or sorry, they can do more to their cars.
Their cops don't care now.
What?
I know this when I was popping and banging by a cop.
Yeah.
It's like, fine.
No problem at all. So this is another local guy's car. He's from BC. He's one of my buddies. And yeah. You don't usually see done up Mustangs. They're usually just exhausts and that's about it. But bagged? I like. Do you like? Alright. Is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra? It's a little tall, but very nice. I feel like it's function over form.
Yeah.
It was so funny. Tim said he wanted us to like.
Okay. I'm confused. So. Did he cut it then? Really? Holy full drift car.
This is completely choked.
I don't know how close I want to get.
Dude, are you ready? Uh-oh, she's broken. Oh, she's back! She's back!
The motor mounts are off-road. These things are like so loose. Dude, that's not good, bro. That's not good, bro. That's not good. That's so not good.
The motor mounts are good. They're
Oh,
just
dude.
wiggly.
It's just a little wiggly, dude. It's a wiggly motor mount.
They're good though.
I mean, if you guys
You could take this a lap around.
Oh, yes.
Easy. You could easy. Top speed of 37. Top speed 37. We literally measured it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we're good. We got a lap in.
Alright, push it over,
The
push
what?
it over.
There was a car there and it has to stall out or come out of gear and we hit him. Because it's direct, like, yeah, way worse.
Thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I gotta open.
Truck, yeah, dude. Truck, yeah. Truck, yeah.
Races, you got like contact point 9.
I felt that. Okay. God damn. Alright, you guys, it has been a couple days. I yet again forgot to record an intro. I didn't record anything on the way back from SpringFest because it's everything you've already seen except reversed. So I guess you could just play the video backwards if you wanted to. In all seriousness, I hope you enjoyed the video. I tried to get all the swearing out that I could. I hope I didn't miss any. I apologize if I did. It was a bit longer video, which was kind of interesting. Obviously, there was a lot to see. So I'm just going to end it here. My camera's almost dead. I haven't charged the battery since SpringFest. So, as always, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you like it. We got lots of videos coming your way. Lots of SR videos. Lots of videos that aren't to do with the SR. So, see you in the next one. Peace.